Laser Welding Service Market Report. According to Cognitive Market Research, the global laser welding service market size is $2,159.5 million in 2024. It will expand at a CAGR of 5.2% from 2024 to 2031. North America laser welding service market size of $863.80 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 3.4% from 2024 to 2031. Europe laser welding service market size of $647.85 million. Asia Pacific laser welding service market size of $496.69 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 7.2% from 2024 to 2031. Latin America laser welding service market size of $107.98 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 4.6% from 2024 to 2031. Middle East and Africa laser welding service market size of $43.19 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 4.9% from 2024 to 2031. Access the free sample copy to know the market dynamics, competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more.